first stoppage of the day. We are stopping here for lunch and brunch.
Lunch, brunch combines stuff. সেটা বলা যেতে পারে। হয়তো এটা মাঝামাঝি বলেছিল, তাই এটা হচ্ছে মাঝামাঝি।
It's very hot outside. I think it's nearly 40. So inside the car it was AC, so it was feeling nice. But outside it feels as if the whole earth is boiling. Azadin Dhaba. So we just finished our brunch. You can see we had dahi, everything. It was nice. So we expected another 1 hour we'll reach.
We just had the most terrific aloo paratha in our life, and laced with margarine instead of butter.
This is a margarine sign of margarine.
So you can understand what is avoidable over there.
আমি একটু ভালোভাবে বলছি। So I would recommend not to have aloo paratha out here. Best avoid this. Go ahead. This is another.
Avoid the whole stuff. Go to Hindustan. I think that's better.
Only the tea I like because I wanted to have some refreshment, and hopefully by 1 more hour we'll be
1 hour. ঘুমাচ্ছে বলে বুঝতে পারোনি, 12টা বাজে টাইম ওয়ার্কে চলে গেছে।
This is Ambika Kalna station and we have almost reached. We are going
বাদিক হ্যাঁ বাদিক।
So we have arrived at this place where they dress up and then they have the chorok in the evening. It's around the afternoon right now, so you can see the roads are empty. By evening it will be completely full. You can see the shops out there selling peanuts and all kind of sweet and savories out there. So hopefully, and this is the school. Isme ka naam kya hai? Krishnadevpur High School. This is the place where the chorok takes place. So remember to come here to see the chorok, and I'll show you the village where they dress up, so you can have a overall good look at it. So this is the place where the chorok takes place. So if you have come here, this is the landmark, this is the school, this is the ground inside, this is where it takes place, and you can see lots of eating shops selling noodles, egg rolls, sweets, savories. There, that's the big pole, they're digging it up. You can see it up there. It's not yet ready. That guy is digging it out there, you can see. Okay. So this is the school ground, and that's the pole on which they will go around. Krishnadevpur Uccho Balika Vidyalaya. This is the landmark, and this is the school. See, and you will see all the shops around. It's like a fair kind of village fair kind of situation. You will find many places like out here and out there. They'll be distributing free water for the devotees. And out there, if you take left, you will reach the Rajbongshi Para or the Rajbongshi locality where they do those face paintings and all. So if you are coming, look for this sign, Rajbongshi Para. So this is the village, this is the place where they do the face paintings out there, out here. You can see a lot of photographers, but then you have to wrestle your way through to get the best shots.
নতুন মুখে একটা জোয়ান ছেলে গেছে
They're starting the puja. After this, they'll go to that school ground and they'll start the festivities out here. But the puja takes place out here. The fairground has started. You can see the hustle bustle all around, and here comes the main deity, and then the festivities would start. It's a lot of confusion, but this is how things happen out here, so don't be surprised.
যদি কোনো যে সমস্ত ব্যক্তি পুজো কমিটির থেকে শিখ বা বর্ষি নিয়েছেন প্রত্যেককে কুপন দেওয়া হয়েছে পুজো কমিটির পক্ষ থেকে। কুপন ছাড়া কাউকে ভেতরে পুজো কমিটির পক্ষ থেকে সবাই বুঝতে হবে সামনের বছর আপনারা একটু বসে বলেন দিদি বসে বলেন দিদি
আমি অন করে রেখেছি পুরোটা চলছে। So we have just reached Hindustan Dhaba. It's around what to say? Around 8 o'clock. It's about 10 minutes to 8. We are really tired, as you can see by the face. The back's really given up. We had a very good day, so hopefully we'll be able to. We are actually having dinner out here, and then things are going back to Kolkata. It's been a really tiring day, and hopefully we get a good meal out here. So we have just ordered for chicken bharta and roti, butter naan and salad. We're eagerly waiting for the food to come. Extremely hungry. Once it's done, then the hunger crank will go, and finally we'll be able to go back to Kolkata in peace. Yeah, finally comes chicken bharta, roti and salad. It's time to let's dig in. Very hungry. Let's dig in. Finished our meal. It was average, but since we were really hungry, it was really good. Enjoyed it. Now, hoping it's exactly 9:15 right now, so I think by 11 we'll be back. I'll be back in my room.